Jeez, init pa. Pangnindot na siya, pamahaw. Sige.
Pangnindot sa pamahaw. Dili ko na sir.
Nga naman.
Wala yellow.
Yan sa imong gamit na cheese.
Dili yellow ayang sudanan.
Yan sa imong gamit na cheese ya.
Eden cheese, Eden.
Wow, di lagi nag-melt lagi.
Guys, padumi sa retreat. Say hi. Lalan chalan. Hindi maot kayo. Panaog.
Saw wala. Tauba, digis tubig. Let's start our mukbang series. Flex. Mukbang. Mukbang. Napatay ka na makaroon. Napatay cake. Napatay later. Karoon na lang cake. Mukbang din. Ang. Tatay ka ba? Doit. Ganit eh. Bataw.
Mukbang.
Po bito. Mukbang. That's mukbang.
Arrive in our destination. Inyo. Ay.
It's good to be back.
That's backpack.
Cadets and cadets, take seat. Yes, sir. At ease. Yes, sir. Right, good morning. Good morning, sir. Okay, is everyone here? This will be our end of the year fibers. And also part of the graduating class. So let's sing our birthday song for her. Okay, I will lead the birthday song. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Nancy. May God ever bless you. May God ever bless you. May God ever bless you. Happy birthday, Nancy. Okay. Pagantag yung mapusok kay na pagkaon na bang idahan ninyo? No? That was for the birthday of Nancy. Alright, so happy birthday, Nancy, and you are 18 years old.
19.
Ha? 19. So sweet 19 day. Okay, so to the next part of our program, I will turn over.
So that's why this morning there are many things that we are going to do just to express gratitude to our God. Sometimes we ask ourselves, what things that you want to offer and to give thanks for the wonderful works of God in our lives.
Ay mo, bakit na? What did you draw?
Scales. Ano why?
Okay, next. Okay. Next is kung bisa niya po pa sa inyo. Okay. So
Doon sa by the beach, no? May kuan kasi garden mga flowers, like mga plants, or like mga trees or something else except a flower. So unlike sa kani picture, why the reason why I drew a flower by the beach is because like it's like a flower trying to fit in, like ako myself trying to fit in with brooks. And then the water, I mean the sea, it represents God because God, like the river of life, providing the flower to grow.
Okay. Okay, thank you guys. Next, si Mark. Mark.
Morning everyone. I drew myself as a watering hole or tubod. Akong kidraw mo kung ino may tubod kayo. As kidraw mo sa tubod sa una pa, taas kayo na yung tubig. Yeah. So, kung magkano gagamit sa tubod, imong pa yung tubig, imong gamiton, magkano mo glaw. So, kung magkadugayan, panahon, magkalaw sa nasiya. Sa yeah, sa kanang sa magkalaw, magkarisod sa Japan ang tubig, mo nang magamit kay PC kay para may magtabang nimo magpakuha sa mga tubig niya natin magamit.
How that...
Thank you, Mark. Next. Friends.
Sila ko sa kumar.
Thank you, all of you, for your drawing.
Hi, Jab.
I hope you know already who you are. Because in times of problems, you know how to handle. Because nowadays, there are many young people committed suicide because they did not know who they are, how to tackle, how to approach the life's problem. Verses 4 to 5. Why God cares for you? Because you are valuable. What area that God cares that you are valuable for? God. Number 1 is
You are created in God's image.
you are created in God's image. Imagine, there are many creations made by God in the universe. Try to imagine that we, as man, as human, only created in the image of God. Kita ra, ang gibuhat nga is like in the image of God. But all the creation of God, wala na niya mo parang pareha sa iyang hulagway. It means you are valuable. You are important. God cares for you because you are created in the image of God. Di ka ma-discourage. Di ka ma-depress. Why? Because God created you as part of like this image.
EJ.
Number 2, why you are valuable?
God breathed in the breath of life.
God breathed the breath of life.
Within
In
you.
Genesis chapter 2, verse 7. Gihuipan ka sa kinabuhi. The oxygen that you have is coming from God. You should be thankful for God since from your birth until this time, wala ka magpalit of oxygen.
I'm Jab. I'm Jab. I'm Jab.
You. Kada sit down lang mo kay i-distribute ra ang snack. So, chill lang mo. Chill. Really all my snacks. Ito where kami.
Dahil ko napatay.
We love that.
Unang ko na information. Ayaw na kay. Very nice.
Jen, say hi to our vlog.
Hi! Hello vlog. Welcome to
Hello
my
vlog.
vlog.
Hello vlog. Siya dito mas.
Ma'am, di sorry kami lupad mo. Lihabit pa mong good from Japan.
Isn't it cold out there?
Yeah, it is. And after Japan, we went back to Korea.
Oh, that's kinda nice.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Except sa kuha. Ma'am Barrow. Let's interview Jeffrey Dahmer. So, what is your problem?
Problem is I was neglected as a child, and
Here in our
I want to learn the Word of God.
Katong opening na.
Wala ko ka-video mo na.
Happy birthday, Ren Ren.
Ma'am,
Happy
interview.
birthday, Ren Ren. Sagad.
Ma'am, in 4 days.
Ito galing 1, 2, 3.
Ito,
Table number 1 na mo, operator.
1, 2, 3, go.
There's 104 days of summer vacation. It's gonna just and then till the annual problem of rock generation. It's your new good way to spend it. Like maybe building a rock, feeding fun like a monkey, and climbing up the Eiffel Tower. Discovering something that doesn't exist, or giving a monkey a shower. Surfing tidal waves. It's over here. Got a bird. The drake is trying spring. You can see there's a whole lot of stuff. This fall. So this is process, pretty and forever. Gotta do it all. Mom, finish it for me. Making a couple sequence.
Oh, hey that. Gusto ba chips? Oh.
Say hi to our vlog. Great na guys.
Bong.
Pabalas. Okay, 1, 2,
Go.
yay! See the light, make sky in the sea.
Dahil ka dyan, out your door.
Guys, it's so fun.
June.
Pero maano ko sa, kahoy. Basta ni, kay Human John eh. Say hi, VJ. So, let's go down there. Mark, you need to guide us, Mark. Mark, guide us. Si Mark, guys, kay KJ na kayo, guys. Mark, dili na managad.
Wow!
Grabe na kayo. Mura dyan siya well kay sa una kay puno pa siya og ka ng friendships na mo. Tas karon it's so very laom na far away from us na gyud. Kailan ko pag speech mo kita ka?
Ma'am. Dahil na.
Yay! Asa ni Frozen?
Frozen pa na ako. Ganihan, slide.
Hoy dili oy, kuan man nilay ka tong see the light with the sky with the sea.
Hey, guys, Frozen to. Let it go.
Hoy, I love it there. There's may gapasuya. Karil, oh, padlungan ni mong anak. Hoy, kanay palagpot na. Hoy, it's nice there. Guys, let's go down. BJ! Let's go, guys. We're gonna.
12.
We're gonna proceed to our next destination, which is I don't know where it is. Let's just follow Mom Jemabel. Yay, let's go down there. It's fresh air down there, Mom. I love it there. There is very... Tignan sabi kinay kugmos ang ilong hindi mako.
Let's zoom.
Let's zoom in the nose.
ASMR.
Oh, I love it here, good Mom.
Hala, hapit. Red Cross June.
5,000.
Mom, I am there. I am there. Ano, ayo, pa sakay mo. Sabatos BJ, kaya ito rin na.
ko, di ba? Ang masensasyon na ho.
Ano yung card?
Dili.
Minimize your voice.
No.
Ano, me?
You form a circle.
Mama, kalingan.
Ay, di. Bago pa lang.
O, dali na. Let's go na.
You get a chair circle na.
Ma'am, abot ang chair. Mo pilot. Kaya kami to.
Be.
I'm here.
Ayaw!
Ano? Na-hurt someone.
Ayaw, takpan! Ay, dapat hugawan mo naman. Takpan na, hugawan sa gitna.
Raisa, you get a chair.
Ano
Raisa.
na naman ako to? Si BG to.